Welcome back to Explore Error. We'll guide you through how to remove recommended videos and channels on YouTube. If you find this helpful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and for whatever reason, you want to remove a recommended video or stop a channel from recommending videos to you. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure you watch the full guide because you might miss an important step you need to know. There can be different reasons why you want to do this. Maybe you keep seeing the same video again and again that you're not interested in, but YouTube thinks you like it. Maybe you watched something similar before or already watched the video and it keeps showing up again. Or maybe there's a YouTube channel that keeps recommending videos and you don't like them or you find them distracting. Whatever the reason is, it doesn't matter. We're going to show you step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So what you need to do is open YouTube like we have here, then find the video or a video from the channel you want to remove. I'm on the home page right now, so you can just scroll down and look for the video you want to use. Once you find the video, for example, let's say I use this one, go to the bottom right of the video just below the thumbnail and the time, and you'll see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots. Now, if you just want to stop seeing that specific video, you can press Not Interested. Once you do that, the video will be removed and you won't see it recommended anymore, which is great. If you did it by mistake, you can undo it. Now, if you want to stop videos from a whole channel, you need to find a video from that channel. For example, let's say I don't want to see this channel anymore. Go again to the bottom right of the video and click the 3 dots below the thumbnail. Then press Don't Recommend Channel. Once you do that, YouTube will stop recommending videos from that channel to you. It's that simple. That's it. If you found this helpful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again with more guides. Have a great day, and I'll catch you again soon. Goodbye for now.